Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how to create, copy, move, remove files and directories. If you want to create a directory, we use mkdir. If you want to create a file, we use touch command. If you want to copy one file to another directory, we use cp command. If you want to move or rename one file to another file, we use mv command. If you want to remove file, we use rm command. If you want to remove directory, we use rm-rf. That's all about these files and directories. Let's do practical. Go to terminal. You can prefer any Linux, Ubuntu, PuTTY, but I prefer this Kali Linux. Let's zoom in. Okay, let's split the screen. Here also zoom in. Just enter ls. This command we previously learned, this ls command. We go to cd desktop. Now we are in desktop. Our first command is mkdir. It is used to create a directory. You can give any name here. I give one piece. I want to create one piece directory. When I enter in GUI, the directory is will created. See, the directory is created. That is the first command. Our second command is how to create file. If you want to create file, we use touch command. Touch file1.txt. Here we can use any name here. I'm just entering file1.txt. In GUI, file1.txt is created. And the next command, third command is copy command. Just listen carefully here. Some members will confuse here. If you want to copy, we use two destination here. One is source and second one is destination. If you want to give destination path, first just enter ls. Here I want to move this file1.txt to one piece directory. So I want to give one piece directory full path. For giving one piece directory full path, we just go to one piece directory, cd, just enter ls, cd desktop, and just enter ls, one piece directory, cd, one piece. Now we are in one piece directory. We give this absolute path to here in cp command. Here in destination path we give full path of this one piece directory. Here enter pwd. Okay. Now first in cp command we give the source file. Which file you want to move copy. I want to copy this file1.txt and give the destination path. Here we will move to one piece directory. That's why we copy this all full path and paste here. Now just enter. It's successfully copied. If you want to that copied file, just enter ls. See, in one piece directory, this file1.txt is copied, successfully copied. Now the next command is move command. This mv command, there's two things is there. First, if you want to move one file to another file, we use move command. At the same time, if you want to rename file, for this also we use mv command. Now I want to move this file1.txt to file2.txt. Here I didn't created this file2.txt. Why? Why means we can create this file2.txt, but here I didn't create it. But if you use mv command, the data present in file1.txt will move to file2.txt. Just enter. Here the file1.txt is there. If we enter this command, file2.txt will come. Just enter. See, file2.txt is created. The file1.txt is removed. That is about mv command. And the next command is rm. If you want to remove this file2.txt, we use rm file2.txt. See, it is successfully removed. That is how you remove file. The next command is one piece. How to delete this one piece directory. For this we use rm minus rf and just enter directory name one piece. Just enter this. See, this one piece directory is deleted, but make sure this command use if you want to 100% sure. If you want to delete this one piece directory or any directory, that time use this rm minus rf. Otherwise don't use this command, because it's if any sensitive directory is there, that will deleted. So make sure if you 100% sure, that time only use this command. Otherwise don't use it. That's all about how to create files and remove files and directories. In the next video we'll learn some other commands. I hope you liked it. Thank you all. Bye.